Hey guys, this is another video about my latest WordPress theme, which is completely free for download. So this time in this video I'm going to show you what options you have in theme options page. So when you click on theme options page in your WordPress panel, the first thing opens this page. So on the first page you have possibility to disable Gutenberg. You have options for colors, for fonts, including hover colors. Also, you have ability to choose which font family you will use for your page, including are they going to be bold, thin, or normal. And normally in the first page of settings, logos, including favicon. On other page, there are layout options. You can have boxed or full width page. If you have a boxed layout, then you can have a background. Then you can adjust your site width, paddings, margins. For example, if your page will have sidebars, left or right, or including left or right, you can choose width of sidebars. And if you live in country where there is normal right to left layout, then you can also turn on this feature. Besides that, there are also options for menu type. So you have classic, subline, subtitle, middle logo, icons, a side menu, animations, hamburger menu, wide menu, fixed. There are a lot different options. Also for footer, base, minimal, social icons, you can additionally add CSS classes, footer height. Really a lot of options. As I said before in my first video about this premium WordPress theme, you have also ability for WooCommerce. So you can choose to show menu icon of WooCommerce, sidebars, and choose which page you will use for WooCommerce. There are other options like page styles, customization. You can here insert your CSS custom code, and of course social media channels: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, for email, and for Google Maps, including Twitter. So let's go to the page. Elements, let's see headers. As I said, this is the classic one. Let's see how looks subline. Subline is in this way. Okay, let's go back. Also we have subtitle, so we can additionally add something below: home, tech, page, games, blog, cool. Let's go to middle logo. So the logo is of course in the middle, and on the left and the right side we have menu elements. Menu icons, which is really cool. You can add font awesome icons here. And every menu can have mega menu like this for many different options. So let's see, for example, how titles can look. For example, So it can look like this, and you can here put your title with description. It can be slider if you need. But also it can be video, animations, which is actually really cool. Let's see some components. So this theme offers different kind of buttons, square buttons, with icon, also link buttons, and normally animated buttons. And you have ability in different sizes. So, as I said earlier, this theme is premium. It has many different options, and for you it is completely free. So in description of video you can download it. Thank you.